Here are top 5 free websites to start learning coding in 2025. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who just wants to sharpen his or her skills, this site I'm going to be sharing with you will help you learn to code without paying a single dime. So let's get into it. So if this is your first time watching my YouTube video, my name is Abbas Akintola, but you can call me Ilton's Coding. Kindly please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, give me a thumb up, and please turn on the notification bell to get to know if whenever I drop a new video. The number one free website I have on my list is what we call the freecodecamp. You see, freecodecamp, this is one of the most popular coding websites in the whole world. It's completely free. It offers interactive lessons on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, data science, and even cybersecurity. The best part is you actually build real projects as you learn, and you can even earn free certificates if you are just starting out. So freecodecamp is the best place to begin. I have a second on my list which is called the W3 schools. I make use of this almost all the time. You see, this site is super beginner friendly. It's like a coding dictionary where you can quickly learn the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Even when it comes to SQL, they have features called Try It Yourself, where you can practice code instantly without installing anything. I have on my number 3 list, which is the Codecademy. The Codecademy. You see, Codecademy has paid plans actually. They also offer a free version that covers the basics of Python, JavaScript, and when it comes to web development generally. You see, what makes it special is the interactive lessons where you code directly with your browser and see instant results. So I'm also going to recommend this for you guys. I call my 4th list geeksforgeeks. See, if you want to go beyond the basics, this site is amazing. It has tutorials, coding challenges, and explanations for everything from data structures to algorithms. Especially great if you plan to prepare for coding interviews or competitive programming. So I also recommend this website for you. And here comes on my 5th list, the Codecademy. You see, most people know it for math and science, but it also has a great computer programming section. You can learn JavaScript, SQL, and computer science concepts in a very simple and visual way. This makes it perfect for young learners like you and me, or anyone who likes an easy to follow style. So guys, these are the top 3 websites I do have for you, and let me recap this website again. Number 1 on my list, I have the freecodecamp, and my number 2 is W3 schools. I have the Codecademy, I have the geeksforgeeks, I have the and I have the Codecademy. So a piece of advice: the best part, you don't need money to start, just consistency and practice. So pick one of these websites today, start coding, and who knows, you could be building your own apps and websites before the end of the year. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.